Homes by Saint-Gobain. Hello everyone and welcome to Homes. Today we offer you a trip to France to talk about the issues and challenges of thermal renovation of housing with Antoine Hervé. He is a consulting engineer in energy transformation who supports local authorities and economic players in the thermal renovation of buildings.
A thermal sieve, it's either a single-family or multi-family housing which substantially overconsumes energy, majorly due to its lack of proper insulation and inefficient systems. Today in France, over the 36 million housings, about 4.8 million of these housings are considered to be thermal sieves. These thermal sieves, it's about 4 to 5 times more energy consuming than the European objective for climate neutrality by 2050. So when we're talking about a sieve, it's actually not a light word, it's actually over-consuming very substantially. Thermal sieves actually largely contribute to energy insecurity, which you could call fuel poverty, depending on where you're living, which in France today is affecting 1 over 5 housings. Yeah, also, given the date of construction of those thermal sieves and the financial status of their occupants, these housings often lack proper ventilation, which then induce bad indoor air quality, thus health issues. France, as a country, has set a series of legal obligations towards thermal sieves with Loi Climat et Résilience. These obligations compel to carry out deep renovations. It means that you need to address all 6 work packages, which are walls, floor, roof, windows, ventilation, and heat production. It is estimated that 500 to 700,000 deep renovations per year would be needed in France to complete and to achieve the global climate neutrality. Nowadays, there are only about 2,000 of those renovations to be performed, meaning that we need to multiply that number by 30 in order to tackle the challenge of climate neutrality. The main issue is affordability of such a deep renovation for the occupants. And when saying that cost is the issue, you can either find a new way of financing or you can reduce the cost. And one way to reduce the cost could be to scale up the number of deep renovation and to go into industrialization of those renovation. And here the challenge to industrialize the way we renovate any type of home, which is a real challenge considering that France has a very large number of different types of single family housings.
This is the end of this episode. Thanks to Antoine Hervé for sharing with us his opinion on one of today's greatest challenges in France. You can check out the other episodes to better understand the local issues of our homes. Thank you for listening.